Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. Super excited to bring you these. These are the brand new mini XShears. Super excited because I've been a big fan of XShears for a number of years. I actually switched from the Raptors to the XShears a few years ago, mainly because this was the only part I actually used of the Raptors, was this actual shears part. I didn't use the seatbelt cutter, I didn't use the O2 wrench, none of that. I just used these. And for me, these were easier to clean than the Raptors, and I think they're just as sharp. So I switched from the Raptors to the XShears a number of years ago. I keep them in my SWAT vest. I keep them in my Jeep in the back of the seat, so I can just grab them if I need a pair of scissors to cut bags open or random stuff here on the homestead farm. And then we keep them in the kitchen. So we have a pink pair in the kitchen. So we definitely use the XShears. I'm not just making a video and we don't use them. We actually use these. Number of my co-workers use them on the EMS trucks, things like that. So I am super excited about the mini version of these because sometimes you just don't want a big old pair of trauma shears. So these are 6 inches in length, and they're coming in black, orange, OD green, blue like I'm holding here, and purple. So these XShears are about 1.55 ounces in weight. They are stainless steel. They have a nice black coating on there to keep them protected. And my hands, I wear a medium/large glove, so you can kind of see compared to my hand here. They are a little bit tight with the fingers, but that's kind of your give and take with a pair of mini trauma shears. With the full XShears, I have a full hand grip, things like that, and they feel very nice. But here, they're a little bit small in my hand, but they're the mini XShears, so I think that's okay. This is a nice rubberized textured handle, which I like. So if your hands are muddy or bloody, you're gonna be able to get a good grip on these to cut. So I think we should just find some random stuff to cut here. Pretty simple here. This is the 550 cord, cuts it. Obviously that's easy. So then this should be fairly easy too. This is some Velcro hook and loop material. This is our everyday tourniquet that we did a demo on. So there again, should be fairly easy, and it cuts through like butter. We can double it up. So, yep. And then we have 4 strips there, and it's smoking through it. So here's a little thicker cup here. A little thicker material. This is like a koozie from Rothko. Kind of like some thicker fabric here. So this kind of give us more realistic cutting through clothing, stuff like that. And look at that. It just literally smokes through there. So super excited about how sharp these are. And mine, I've been using for a long time, and they have kept their edge and they've kept sharp. All right, so just a regular piece of cardboard here. And no problem. So this is going to cut through pants, clothing, hoodie. I'm not cutting my hoodie. You guys are out. But no problem whatsoever cutting through to expose our patients so we can find their injuries. So I am super excited that we carry these at Medical Gear Outfitters. Now, the micro holster they just came out with for the regular size XShears and the other holsters they have won't fit these. So unfortunately, no holster is currently available for these, but you could stick them down your IFAC, stick them down your webbing of your plate carrier, and they'll be stored there. An option that you could do has this little hole right here. So you could take the NAR scissor leads that we have at medicalgearoutfitters.com, attach it here, and then that way you don't lose these, and then these don't walk off. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.